Today I'll be drawing Joy from Inside Out and showing y'all in a different style. Yay! I have, just to mention, been working on this video for a very long time. So I am very also happy for it to be done. Okay. So these were the references, and the thought process behind them basically was like, what if I drew Joy, but in these types of outfits? And I still tried to make them seem like something that Joy would wear, and something that just seems like kind of modern, but still Joy, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that's what I was basically thinking while looking for references. While creating the drawing, I was watching the Inside Out movie, the first one. I do want to see the second one. It had came out recently, and it seems pretty good, so I do want to see that. And it seems like a bunch of people really like it, so yeah. I mean, of course, it's Inside Out. Also, I don't really like watching trailers like that, only because sometimes I feel like they just show too much sometimes. Like, I want to go see the movie, right? Yeah, sometimes they show too much, and usually I like the teasers more. That's what I go for more, I guess. But sometimes they just show you too much, and they basically show you like the whole movie, basically. And I'm like, dang, like, now I know the movie for real. I kind of wanted to be surprised at the movie theaters. But from the Inside Out teasers, I do want to go see that movie. But I don't want to see too much of the trailers to, like, show me too much. Here I had two images or two ideas that I was thinking about, and I was trying to figure out whether I wanted Joy to be holding the core memory with one hand or two. So here I'm just trying to decide like which one it is, and yeah. Redrawing the head was kind of difficult, but I think I just had to go with whatever I was doing, or just draw whatever shape was comfortable or most comfortable. The circles and ovals. But y'all, Joy's head is kind of big, like, come on guys. So it was kind of hard to do. It was. Okay, so in another artist video that I saw, I'll try to find it, but if I can't, I can't. But basically, they used a sticky note to draw over their sketch, or to sketch with, I guess, kind of to use as an idea, just in case they didn't want to go through with it. So I thought, why not I do that? So that's what I chose to do. To see if I wanted to see how I wanted her arms position, because I had a few ideas in mind, but I just wanted to see what they would look like before I actually, kind of finalized it. The only thing left were a few tweaks, and boom, there you have it. Joy redrawn, done, completed, finalized. I definitely love how this turned out. I love how Joy looks. I definitely have considered maybe on my free time doing the other characters in different styles as well. But this did really take a long time. But I'm happy to say that it's finished and that I'm finally finished with the project. So yeah.